Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to use Sendit on Snapchat. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your App Store and then search for Sendit with this logo. And then once you are here, simply download the app. And then once you have downloaded it, you may now open it. So once you open the Sendit app, it will require you to open your Snapchat. So make sure to allow Sendit to open your Snapchat and then go back to Sendit. Once you're here, you may click on edit button right here and then type in the question that you want. So type in whatever you want and then question mark. And then you may also change the font style by clicking on this one. So change it. And then let's say, for example, that you cannot think of any question. You may click on the dice button right here on the lower left. So it will show you different questions. And then once you are done, simply click on share. Wait for it to load as it will open Snapchat like this one. And then once you have opened it, you may take a picture first and then you may post it on your stories afterwards. So that's it. That's how you can use Sendit on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.